So I already put my ball cap on, so now I'm going to be going in with 2 layers of ebony wig glue. Then I will be taking my popsicle stick to be smoothing that glue out. So right here I'm just pressing my lace down into the glue, and then I will be taking my comb and combing it into the glue also. And guys, make sure when you put that wig glue on that it is not completely dry. You want it to be dry, but not like completely dry, because that is the problem I'm having right now. I let my glue dry too much, and so my lace is really not sticking. My glue is already dried, so I had to go in and put some more glue. And right here, y'all, I did a dumb mistake. I forgot to cut my ear tabs off where my wig can lay comfortable and flat behind my ears. I forgot to do that. So make sure y'all not rushing. Make sure that y'all do that before y'all get this glue on y'all head, and it will work so much better. So I'm going to go in my Wonder Lace Bun spray, and I'm just going to spread it around the edges, perimeter of my hair, and then I'm going to go in with my milk belt. So I'm about to cut this lace off right here. I'm just going in with my scissors, cutting that lace close to the hairline as possible. And then I'm going to take my eyebrow razor and cut that lace off. That eyebrow razor is going to give it that natural look. I'm just going in with the scissors, cutting that unnecessary lace off that we don't need. And the parts that we do need, I'm going to go back in with some glue and lay it down. So right here, y'all, I don't know what happened, but I went in the perimeter with my hair and just sprayed it with that Got To Be Free spray. And once I did that, I noticed that my wig started lifting. I don't know if the Got To Be spray is old or if it was mixing right with the lace glue that I use or what, but I noticed it was lifting. I don't know why I didn't use the other lace spray that I used at first. Then I'm going to take my lace glue and lay down the parts that was starting to come up, and then I'm going to go in my other freeze spray and spray the outer part of my hairline, and then I'm going to go in my milk belt. And once you remove that milk belt, you want to comb the hair back, just to comb out the part that you did spray with the lace spray. And then we're going to go in and do my favorite part, yes, baby hairs. We're going to go in and do the baby hairs. What I do, I like to section off piece by piece of where I want my baby hairs to lay. And right here, y'all just see me going in with that wax stick, putting it on my hair because I'm going to take that hot comb and comb that through, just to make sure that this hair is slick. So this is the final look. And it's pretty much giving what it's supposed to give. I just gotta